health cho một cuộc sống hạnh phúc.
Vietnam in November last year, and now it's December. So we work with Droppii for more than 1 year. And from the time we joined with Droppii, we send several products to Droppii sell for the people in Droppii. But thing change and good thing happened from April this year when we introduced some new products to Droppii. And today, Bùi Quỳnh will show you two among these products. It's very famous product in Vietnam, and I hope that you and all the agent and customer in US will welcome our products, because all of our products are 100% naturals. We import products from a very big corporation in Malaysia. One thing I would like to share with you about TS Health. In Vietnam now, there are 100,000 of companies who doing business in the health supplement and food supplement industries. But TS Health, we choose our different way. We only select good products from big corporations elsewhere in the world to import to Vietnam to serve the people. Normally, previously we serve people in Vietnam, and now we hope that we can serve you and people in Americas. That's why we only do the imported products. And now I would like to introduce Miss Quỳnh, introduce to you the two products that we import from the biggest pharmaceutical corporation in Malaysia. You may find the information of this company if you typing 3 word YSP in the Google. YSP is the biggest corporation in pharmaceuticals in Malaysia. We import own product from those corporations. And all of our products are 100% naturals. We don't use chemicals in product because these products are for people health. And I hope that after this matching session today, we can have more information to you, and we can receive more questions from you for our products and our company as well. And today we have a limited time, so I'm sorry I cannot have enough time to talk more about our company and our products, but I hope that from today we will be close together and we have chance to share more information to you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Du, so much for briefly talk about your company. So right now, I don't want to waste your time. I will share my screen, so you will see more detail, okay? So if you can see my screen right now, please type 1 in the chat box. Yeah, it's okay now, right? All right. Sorry. There is the fact that many people we think that the digestive system is simply to digest food, right? It's correct, but not enough. Digestive system is one of the largest system in our body, so it decides about 30% of our immune system. So to have a healthy body, we need to have a healthy digestive system. So there is the fact that when we eat food, then the intestine will absorb all the nutrition, but the rest of the indigestible part will be transferred to the colon. So our colon contains a lot of toxic substances, and if we do not clean it up, so all the toxic substances that will absorb back into our body and cause disease. So right now, I'm going to show you like a 1-minute clip of the coloscopy to see what our colon would look like if we didn't detox it. So if you are too sensitive with this image, so you can skip it, all right? So Mr. Du, please help me to share the clip.
Yes. Wait 1 second. I will share the clip to you.
Yeah. Yeah, because once again, this video is a little bit sensitive, so you'll see the inside of the colon. So if it's too sensitive for you, please skip it. All right. We will see how our colon would look like if we didn't detox it usually. Please wait for a minute. Maybe the internet. Ok không anh?
Cho anh 1 giây nữa bởi vì là nó đang hơi chậm một chút.
Yeah, it takes a little bit of time, so thank you for waiting. So nervous when we see the colon. All right. Okay, what do you think? Let me.
I don't like what I see.
That was an interesting journey.
Oh.
I don't know why I got hungry. No, I'm kidding.
All right. Let me share the screen again. So you can see if we don't detox the digestive system, it's so awful, right? So I think it's time for us to be proactive in detoxify our digestive system, eliminating toxins to maintain good health and limit the risk of dangerous disease, right? So besides of the demand for detox, I think that the second demand is very large here is we want to lose visceral fat and reduce belly size. And according a study, you can see by the WHO, at least 2.8 million die each year as a result of being overweight. So we lose fat, lose weight, not only to be beautiful, but also to prevent the risk of dangerous diseases such as high blood pressure, stroke, cancer, etc. So T8 health products are directed to the two big needs that are digestive system detoxification and weight loss. So
yeah, sorry when I think there's a few people that cannot hear you very clear. So maybe I don't know, speak a little louder or something, because there are two people that they say they can't really hear you.
Can you hear me right now? Is it okay?
Chị Minh and Công thì
I think
you guys are good.
I think it's
Okay.
technical or something.
Oh,
It's feel like she's
yeah.
too far away from the mic.
So yeah, I feel like you're too far away from the mic, so maybe try to speak a little louder.
Yeah. Okay. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's a little clearer now.
Oh, sorry. I will try to speak louder. Yeah. All right. So we can see that TS Health products are directed to the two big needs that are digestive system detoxification and weight loss. So that's why TS Health is very successful in Vietnam.
Pick him up. Sorry.
Okay. All right. So it's a reason why TS Health product is very successful in Vietnam, and I'm sure that it will certainly be very successful in US market too. All right, so what's the solution? So the first TS Health product we bring to the US market is the TS Meal Top Gold product, which is considered a golden meal for weight loss. So first of all, this product will have to detox the digestive system just only by taking one meal top pack per day for 5 to 7 days for a quick detoxification process. And if you use longer, it will help you to reduce belly fat, visceral fat, and have us to have a smaller waist and lose weight. And the meal top also works to lower cholesterol level, thereby helping us to have a healthy cardiovascular system. So that's why meal top packaging you can see on the screen right now is printed with the heart and the intestine, right? Because taking meal top not only help you to keep the intestine healthy, but also have the cardiovascular system stay healthy too. All right, and right now I will share with you the ingredient of the TS meal top gold. So meal top products have a 4 main group of ingredients. So the first one is the group of fiber. So there is an exclusive ingredient of YSP group. So like Mr. Tu has said at the beginning, so YSP group is the manufacturer of TS Health product. And they, and if you can hear me clearly, so please type. And if you want me to speak louder, please to tell me, okay? The sound is okay now, right?
Yeah, it sounds okay now. Yeah.
I can hear you okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So there is an exclusive ingredient of YSP group, and like Mr. Du said, the USP group is the manufacturer of TS Health product, and they exclusively buy all the 27-year-old palm tree in Malaysia. So only YSP can produce this fiber, and only available in TS Meal Top Gold product. So you can ask me that, so why is fiber from a 27-year-old palm tree, right? Because this kind of fiber has a lot of substances, but in which there are two most important substances that play a main role, like in cleaning the plaque in your colon. And besides, we have the oat fiber and the brown rice. So all this fiber has the effect of cleansing the plaque in the colon and discharge on the plaque and push them out. So you can try. You just only can try one packet of meal top at night before you go to bed, and then the next morning you will wake up and you will see its effect. The amount of stool will be much larger than usual, and you will feel that your stomach comfortable and so light. Yeah, and the second group ingredient is the berries. Berries will provide vitamin, antioxidants, and have lower blood cholesterol level. The third group is, you can see on the screen, the macero extract, isolated short protein. It helps your body to have enough protein that it needs. And finally, we have the lactobacillus bacteria. It's the good bacteria. This when it enters our intestine, it will destroy harmful bacteria that could cause a digestive system. All right. So all the above ingredients create a intestinal detoxification therapy and it will help you to reduce belly fat, lose weight safely and effectively. All right, I will now shift to the next slide. Okay, so in the first 5 to 7 days, milk will clean up the residue in your intestine, remove the long-term accumulation of the plaque in the colon. So plus we have the bacteria, good bacteria here. It will help you to improve and protect good health. And the berries will help you to reduce cholesterol and thereby helping us to have a healthy cardiovascular system. All right, and besides that, milk will help us to solve the problem of constipation. Any of you in the Zoom, you face this problem, constipation? Because Alex, okay, because with many types of fiber in milk, it will soften your stool and push it out. So constipation, you can understand that constipation is the phenomenon of stools that are dry, hot, difficult to move into your colon, and the longer the stool size is larger, so the more difficult it is for us to go to the bathroom, and we have to face the hemorrhoids. So using milk to overcome the problem of constipation and reduce the risk of hemorrhoid and help us to improve digestive function, bloating and indigestion. All right, so like I already shared with you, if you use it longer for 2 to 6 weeks later, so you can lose the belly fat, lose your weight, and for sure stay fit. So you can understand like this: the fiber will absorb the amount of fat in the food that you eat every day, and it reduces the amount of fat absorbed into your body. And 1 pack of milk provides very little energy of 76 kilocalories. And our body, it had a mechanism that is when your body is lack of energy, it will find a backup source to burn this to transfer to the energy. And the first backup source that your body looks is into burn the fat. And it will prioritize burning fat such as visceral fat. And you can see on the screen right now is a subcutaneous fat first. And so it has to reduce the weight measurement in a very effective way. All right, and a box of milk cost, you can see here is $85. So each person only needs to use 5 to 7 packs for a quick detoxification process. So 1 box of milk is used to detox for a family of 4 to 6 people. So I can count it only for $14 per person. So you can clean up your digestive and immune system. So I think it's very reasonable, right? Okay, so we will move to the unique selling point of the milk gold product. So as I share with you, 1 box is enough for a family of 6 to use in 5 to 7 days of quick detoxification process. And you can see the result right after the first use. Like I already said, you can drink before you go to bed, and after 8 to 12 months, you can see the result immediately. And because there is an increasing need for detoxification, so it's very easy to sell this product. Yeah, and the result of losing fat and weight can be seen after only first 1 or 2 weeks. And once again, because it's natural ingredients, so it's safe to use, and especially it doesn't cause fatigue or dehydration. So do you think it's an awesome product, and do you want to try it? Okay, so it's all the...
Yes, I want to try these products.
Okay, so like I already said, we will have a pop quiz. So right now, I will have 1 question about the TX milk girl product that I will share with you. So if you know the answer, please raise your hand, and if you answer right, you can have a present from the product. Okay, so are you ready? All right, so the question is, how long is the quick detoxification process? Ooh, so many. Yeah, Alex.
1 week.
Okay. Okay, you first, Alex, and then me.
1
So your
week.
answer is
week.
1 week. 1 week. Okay. Is
Yes,
it my
Alex.
turn?
Yeah, your turn. Yeah.
It's from 5 to 7 days.
What else? What else has the answer?
So who else has the answer?
Who's
A lot of people typing in the chat.
No, you need to raise your hand.
So I guess you have to
Yeah.
speak it out loud.
Yeah, you need to speak it loud.
5 to 7 days.
Who is speaking?
I can raise my hand.
Oh, okay. I have to raise my
It
hand.
did 5 to 7 days to
Yes.
cleanse your colon.
Okay, so we have four people, right? 4 people have the right answer. Okay, so
I think
congratulations.
it depends. I think it depends the person. If whoever wait for a long time to cleanser, then they take more than 7 days. But 5 to 7 days, most everybody, it is good enough. I tried the product already. I love it. A lot of my customers, a lot of my clients love it.
Yeah, thank you so much, and congratulations, all of you. Four of you guys have the present of the
Oh, thank
company
you.
radar.
Thank you.
All right. So we have four lucky men today. All right. So we will move to the next the next product. Okay. So after detoxing our body, so how to make the body healthier? Then TH Health has one more solution, that is TS spirulina algae product. So I can share with you right now. All right. So this, have you ever heard about the spirulina algae? If yes, please type 1. Have you ever heard about this? Yes. If you know, no. Yeah. Okay. So spirulina algae is a very valuable algae because it contains up to 18 amino acids, 12 vitamins, and 11 minerals needed for the body. So you can ask me that, so what are amino acids, right? So amino acids are converted protein. So you can imagine that when you eat meat, fish, eggs, it is protein, but it is in crude form. But our cells cannot absorb protein, but not only absorb amino acids. So the body must convert protein into amino acids. But with algae, with spirulina algae, the protein is already in the form of amino acid. So if you drink it, the body can absorb it immediately. Yeah. So you can see spirulina algae is known as a superfood and is recognized by many organizations around the world, such as WHO, FDA, or FAO. So the reason is that because after so many research, they found that the amino acid in the spirulina is 3 times higher than beef, 5 times higher than chicken, 7 times higher than lean meat, and the vitamin A in spirulina is 15 times higher than carrots. The calcium in the spirulina is 1.5 times higher than that of milk. So it's the reason why algae is a nutritious meal essential for an active life. All right. So it's a reason why if you feel tired and you can only drink 1 pack of spirulina, right? So you can feel better immediately. All right. So who we need this? Who we need this? Oh, sorry. I just want to share with you the USP, the unique selling point of this TS spirulina. So you can see that in the market out there, there are so many kinds of spirulina, but the TS spirulina is the perfect combination between spirulina use technology to extract natural algae that harvested in from Myanmar volcano lakes. And as you can see on the screen right now, there are some image of volcanic lakes in Myanmar. where spirulina algae are harvested. So it's 100 natural, all right? And the second, we have the blackcurrant berries combination in this spirulina, and it is very delicious, rich in vitamin and antioxidant, and have anti-inflammatory property, and effectively reduce cholesterol level. And one more, and this is, I think, is the most important, that you can see the spirulina out there will be in the powder, or maybe in the tin, but the TS spirulina is in the gel form. Why? Because the gel form will increase the absorption up to 90 to 95%. And it's very fast absorption time, all right? So it's all the unique selling point of the algae. All right, so who will need this product? So for those one who need to lose weight, you can use milk, like I already shared with you, instead of milk, but you can combine with the 2 packs of TS spirulina algae a day. So you will not feel tired and you don't feel hungry. Or this product will be used for those who want to strengthen the immune system, restore health, and want to have a healthy body. And especially with the children, or adult too. Yeah, the children with anorexia and malnutrition, and the pregnant or lactating women, parent, patient during and after treatment, and people that perform manual labor, or people that have stressful work, and elderly people that have poor digestive system. All right, so this is all the information I want to share with you about the spirulina TS health product. Okay, so I can show you here is some like the product used for demotion and nutrition supplement purpose. So you can see all of this on the website, and you can or maybe after this meeting we will open a group, so you can ask any question about the uses of product in that group. All right. So right now it's the second question about this spirulina. Okay, so are you ready? So lower all your hand, please, Miss Hien, because right now we will have the second question. And please lower. Okay, so are you ready with the second question? And are you ready to get the free product to use? Yeah. All right. So the second
What was
question
the
is,
question again? Yeah, sorry. What was the question?
yeah.
No, you missed it. You missed it. You're out, Liam.
Okay, so the second question is, what is one special ingredient of that is exclusive to this product, milk product? What is the one special ingredient of the milk?
Me? Can I talk? Hey, I raised my hand before you did, Alex. I'm faster this time.
Okay, two of you. Okay, Miss Hien.
The question is about the mutak or about the spirulina now? Sorry.
I asked you about the mutak. Yeah.
Oh, the mutak. What is the special in mutak?
Yeah, what is one special
Okay.
ingredient of that?
Okay, I know that, but Lian, you want to answer first? I
Yeah,
can do it after you.
It's the fiber from the 27-year-old palm tree.
The oil palm tree fiber.
Yeah.
You're right.
What about you, Alex?
Well, that wasn't only my answer. The algae that they get from the volcanoes or something like that. Is that one of those ingredients as well?
Yeah, it's good. It's a
Yay.
good answer as well. Is there anyone who wants to raise your hand and answer the question? Yes, still all of you. All right. So it seems that we will have two more two more product to Alex and Miss Liêm. Congratulations.
Okay. It's over now. Or?
All right, so right now we're going to move to one share from one agent in Vietnam. She has already tried this product and very love it, and she says it's very successful too. So Miss Ha Thanh, the mentor 1-star in Vietnam market, will come to here to share with us her experience with the TS Health product. All right. So Miss Ha Thanh, are you there?
Okay, so I'm here. So hello
All
everyone.
right.
Yes, hello
Hi.
everyone. Okay, so my name is Thanh and I'm an agent from Droppii in Vietnam. So today I'm very happy here to share to all of you guys about my experience after using THL, TX Health products. Yes, and you know, I would like to say I really love this products because it brings me a lot of benefit. As you know, I have a bad eating habit, like I like spicy food, I like fast food, and I also have a big belly. So I want to detox my gut, and I also want to reduce my weight. That is the reason why I choose these products. And amazingly, after using a few weeks, I have a good result with this. As you know, my gut feel comfortable, and I can reduce my weight about 6 centimeters. Yes, that's very good. And you can see here I also have this one. This is very easy for us to bring this. And I also combine with this spirulina. Okay, this also very good because it's bring us many vitamin and mineral. Yes, and I also give my children use this one too. Because you know I have to work hard every day. After using this, I feel more energy and I can start a new day to work effectively. And I also want to share to you because my mother-in-law have a problem with constipation. Yes, and she also have want to lose weight. Okay, and I boast for her. And after using 3 weeks, okay, and she's so happy because the problem with the constipation disappear. Yes, and she can lose weight, lose about 5 kilometers, and she so happy. And then I use my mother-in-law story to share to everyone around me have the problem, the same problem. And you know, I have a customer. She is participate in the dance club. Yeah, dancing club. But every people in the dancing club so have a good body, but she's too fast. She's 66 kilo. Yes, she's 66 kilo, and she feel very shy when she dance. Okay, together with them. So I know her problem, and I advise her to use our products. Yes, and I also share my mother-in-law story. And then after that, she orders one compound, and then after one compound, she called me. Yeah, just a few weeks, she called me. Oh, so happy! I'm so happy here. I have a good result. She showed me her picture, and then she say, "You can see now I can dance very confidently." And then after that, she shared to many people around her, and then I also have many other, and then I become bestseller with this product. You can see, yes, because our products is very have a good quality, and you can see the result just only in a short time. So I think this is a big market for all of you guys to start with your business. And you can see every people need it, and every people wish they have a good health and good chef. Yes, so they need it a lot. And then you can share this to everyone, and then you can share this value to help everyone around you to show their problem. I think it's very good. And you know, after I sell them one combo, 2 combo, and then they reply to order. Okay, come back to me to order and introduce to many people around them to buy. So your business is also very easy, not difficult. Yes, and after you choose this, you can have experience with it, and then you can feel, and then you can have many stories to share. Okay, and I think this is a very good thing to do with your patient, and that is on my sharing today. And thank you very much for your listening. Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Ms.
you.
Hang.
Okay.
Thank you so much. And please send some heart icon in the chat box to say thank you, Ms. Hang, to share with me about her experience. All right. So right now we will now go to the best reading of this matching meeting today is the Q&A. All right. So if you have any question about this product, please raise your hand. And if you are shy to speak out, please, yeah, you can send your question in the chat box. So Ms. Liêm,
there is one question in the chat box. They're asking, does it have any benefits other than constipation? Does it help people with chronic diarrhea?
Yeah. Chronic diarrhea, right?
Yes, like they have diarrhea all the time.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Miss
Liêm, may I have the answers for this question?
Yeah.
For the people with chronic diarrhea, it's sorry that that people cannot use TS Go, because TS Go speed up the digestion in our body, so it's not suitable for the people with chronic diarrhea. And in Droppii Vietnam, TS Health have another products very useful for these people, but it's a bit regret that at the moment we are not able to send this product to US market. Maybe in the near future, when we clear up with some challenging in policy, we can send this product. It's named the TS Chlorophyll. TS Chlorophyll is very, very useful for the people with chronic diarrhea. And Mutox is useful for the people with constipation.
Thank you so much for your answer.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your answer. So after what you share with us, does that mean that people with chronic diarrhea, they should not use this product, or is it okay for them to use it?
It's not suitable. It's not okay for them to use it, because if you use TS Mutox, the chronic diarrhea is become worse.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
What about the spirulina?
For spirulina is okay, because spirulina only provide amino acids, vitamin, and minerals, so it's no impact on the chronic diarrhea. They can use it. But just one remind, use after meal. One thing I want to tell more about spirulina: if we use spirulina before meal, it will help us to lose weight, because after you drink one sachet of spirulina, you may don't have demand for eating any longer, because your body provide enough with amino acids, vitamin, and minerals. But vice versa, if we drink spirulina after meal, it will provide more amino acids, vitamin, and mineral for people. So for anybody who want to gain weight, because so then they will drink spirulina after meal. People who want to lose weight, drink spirulina before meal. And for any people often tired and lacks energy, we can drink spirulina anytime when we feel tired.
All right. That's awesome. Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Du. That's good to know. So let's say with people that always feel tired and need more energy, how many times a day they can drink it?
They can use 2 or 3 times, Miss Liêm.
Yeah. Okay.
And one
Thank
thing
you.
that it have very quick effect. Just after 10 or 15 minutes drinking spirulina, you will feel better. And remember, you with water, because it needs water to make all the effectiveness of the products.
All
Yeah,
right. So it
just
needs
drink a lot
water.
of
That's
water.
awesome.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Well, yeah. So I think there's another question in the group chat. I was asking that what products that they should use to lose weight and how long they need to use it to lose 5 kilograms.
Yeah. First, TS Mutox and TS Spirulina both are used for lose weight. And for how long to lose 5 kilograms? I have to say that it depends on some other things, not only products. First, it depends on the time that people are fast. If the people has just got fast for several years, it's very easy to lose weight. But if other people who have wait for a very long time, so it takes longer time. And thank you, Miss Queen. This is a very important information for the people who want to use TS product for losing weight. It depends on three elements, three factors. First, it depends on the product. TS Mutox and TS Spirulina will help people to lose weight because product will limit the absorption of fats and sugar into the body. Second, both products reduce the cholesterol levels in our blood. And third one, both products provide a lot of amino acid, vitamin, and mineral, but they provide only a little energy. So it asks our body to burn our saving energy in form of fat. So it helps us to lose weight. But in addition to product, we need pay attention to the user diet. If we want to lose weight, but we still eat a lot of fats and sugar, so we cannot lose weight, because you see that fats and sugar, when come into our body, will be converted into energy. And if our body does not use all the energy we bring in, the energy will be transformed back into fat. So we should use very scientific diet, reduce the consumption of fats and sugar. And last one, it depends on the user movement mode, because if we have active life, then our body will use more energy, and the energy will be used up on after we eating, then no fat accumulated in our body. So this is three things that we should take care when we want to lose weight. And somebody asked here in the Zoom chat, so I answer on here. Ming asked that when we use the product, how about the heart rate? So, yeah, no problem for the heart. It's very safe for all kind of people. And it's even more easy to sleep, because when we drink spirulina, it provides enough vitamin and minerals. And some kind of vitamin and minerals are very important for our sleep. So don't worry, Miss Ming.
Yeah, and I see here Miss Kunterin is raising her hand. So please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Well, the question was that can women? I saw a slide say that pregnant women can intake I don't know which one. I don't know which product.
Yes.
Two, both of them.
For pregnant women, should use spirulina. And we are not recommend pregnant women to use TS Mutox, because in the pregnant time, we should pay more attention to both mothers and the body inside. So we don't need to use TS Mutox at that time, but we need to use TS Spirulina when you are pregnant, because it's very important to provide enough mineral, vitamin, and amino acids for this stage. So in short, for pregnant women, use TS Spirulina and don't use TS Mutox.
Okay. And another question is that how about breastfeeding women?
Pardon?
Breastfeeding.
Breastfeeding.
Phụ nữ cho con bú.
Yeah, for breastfeeding woman, same with the pregnant woman, should use TS Spirulina, and for TS Mutox, they still can use, but only in 5 or 7 days to clean up the digestive system. Don't use for losing weight, because when you feed the body with milk, we need to have enough nutrition condition for the both mother and the baby. So don't use the TS Mutox for losing weight at that time. Just use for cleaning purpose.
Yeah, and I
thank
see
you very much.
on the chat box, Miss Helena's asking about the maximum pack we can use for a day. But I don't know if she's asking about the Mutox or about the Spirulina. So Miss Helena, would you please unmute yourself or type in the chat box? You are asking for what product?
Helena, for Spirulina, as I answer Miss Liêm, we can use 2 to 3 sachets per day. It means that 2 to 3 times per day for TS Spirulina. And for TS Mutox, we should use 2 sachets per day if we want to lose weight, and 1 sachet per day is just for cleaning the digestion system. And for cleaning purpose, we use after dinner. And for losing weight, we use TS Mutox to replace breakfast and dinner. Yes, Liêm, raise hand, please.
Yeah, so I have a question. So I have when you talk about constipation, I think about my father-in-law. He always talk about that. So
Yeah.
he's 72 years old. He have probably chronic constipation or something because he used a lot of medicine. He has high blood pressure and he also has diabetes type 2. So is it suitable for him to use the Mutox? And then if it is, how long he should use it to basically help with the constipation?
Yes, he should use 1 sachet of Mutox per day only, and after dinner. And after drinking TS Mutox, he should drink more water, because TS Mutox needs water to make the full impact. And he should use in around 5 to 7 days. If the constipation get better, he can stop and drink more water, because water is very important for the people like him.
Yeah, one more question. Is Spirulina a pure vegan product?
Yes, Spirulina have only 2 ingredients. The first, Spirulina is harvested from Myanmar, like in the slide of Miss Queen. And the second ingredient is blackcurrant. So it's 100% natural products.
All right. So I will look for.
Awesome. I have another question. So most of the weight loss, a lot of weight loss products in the market, after you use them, you actually feel more tired because it's actually make your body losing water instead of losing fat. So how are we different from those products?
Thank you, Miss Liêm, for very interesting questions. Yes, not only in America, even in Vietnam now, there are too many methods and products for losing weight, but some of them make the people tired because it makes people lose water. You know that in our body, around 70% are water. So if we lose water, it means we lose weight. But losing water is very dangerous for health. And our product TS Mutox don't make the people lose water. The effect of TS meal Go for losing weight come from the following thing. First, is clean up our digestion system, because in our digestion system, if we clean it up, it also help us to reduce some kilogram. The second thing is the TS meal Go limit the absorption of fat and sugar into our body. And you know that fat and sugars are two elements to make our increased weight. Secondly, when we use TS meal to replace meal, especially to replace breakfast and dinner, it provides enough amino acids, vitamin, and mineral, but it provides very little energy, only 76 kilocalories, and our body needs much more higher than energy than that. That's why when we use meal to replace meal, it asks our body to burn the saving energy inside our body in form of fat. That's why it reduce our fat, it clean up our digestion system, but it don't reduce our water level inside. Instead, it provides a lot of vitamin and mineral to our body, so it even make our health better. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your answer. Okay, so I will look in the chat box for the question. If, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, and in the chat box, our knowledge, our colleagues also send a link. Miss Anne, please send another link. We send a link of Facebook group into the group chat, in the Zoom chat. This group is for supporting. Please enter the group, and if you have any questions, please send your question into the group, and we will answer your questions right after receiving your questions. Thank you. An gửi lại đường link giúp anh An ơi.
Em gửi rồi ạ.
Gửi lại em.
Vâng.
Once again, please.
I asked my staff to send the link again. Thank you, Miss Liêm.
All right. So I think we need to have one more present for Kuntia Ring, right? Because she's asking us so much about the product. Is that okay, Mr. Tu?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So today we will have Alex, Miss Lian, Miss Hiền, and Miss Kuntia Ring. Congratulations, all of you, to have the gift from the TS House. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
To do one last question for me.
One last question. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you. Yes.
Yeah.
Please,
so just one last question, if that's okay. So, is there any preservative in your products?
In our product for the TS milk is in the powder form, so there are no reservoirs. In TS spirulina, there are something, but under the authorization and approval from the Ministry of Health.
Yeah.
Yes.
And all the product has the certification. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
FDA certification.
And all of our products were approved by the Ministry of Health from Malaysia and Ministry of Health of Vietnam. And we also have FDA for our products.
Yeah, it's great. So all of this information you can ask and can find in the group that Miss Anne and Mr. Anne sent here the link in the chat box. So please join the group. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask Mr. Tu, and the company will answer all of you. All right. So this is the link. Please join in the group. So once again, thank you everyone to join the meeting today. And you need to believe me, you need to try this one, because it will help you to have a very body, and you can serve more and more products with it. Okay, thank you so much. And
thank you everybody, and hope to see you again. Thank you. Good
Thank you
night.
so much.
everyone.
One second.
Yeah, Alex, we need to take picture, right?
Yes, we need to take photos.
Okay, let's take
Yeah, we
pictures.
need to take a photo.
Liam and Miss Queen, can you guys help me because
Yeah,
I'm in my
yeah,
phone?
yeah,
Can you
yeah,
please
I
take the screenshot?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the
Good night.
presentation.
Good night.
Thank you,
and
Alex.
Thank you so
have a
much.
good day.
Bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
Liam. Thank you,
Bye.
everybody. Bye bye. See you again.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.